Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Anker has been making a lot of power products for quite some time, and I've had quite a few of their videos on my channel, and they were nice enough to send these along, and thought we'd take a look at it. So they've sponsored the video with their products, and so I thought I'd show you what they have. So a lot of you know that their products are pretty decent, and they're actually pretty inexpensive. So all of these are under $30. Some of them are much less. So let's take a look at the first thing. I don't know that we need to look at every one of these in depth just because they're pretty simple. I use a SIM card removal tool instead of a knife. It seems to work just fine. And I probably should get a knife. If you have recommendations, let me know in the comments below though. This is just their power line to lightning cable, so we'll set that aside. We've seen those before. Let's take a look at this one. This is their Soundcore Nano, and this I haven't really heard of before, but looks like it's a super tiny Bluetooth speaker. So I'm not sure how good this is going to sound when it's this small, but for some people, maybe you're in an office and you just want some ambient noise, that's probably a good option. Let's see what else it comes with though. So it comes with a micro USB to 3.5 millimeter jack, and I guess that's for sound. Let's see what else we've got. And then micro USB to USB-A. So you can charge that way or play some music that way. So that's pretty nice. So you don't just have to use Bluetooth. Okay, this is, I think, one of their batteries, which seems pretty obvious. Let's open this up here. This is... what's this one called? We've got a Anker Fusion 5000. And I looked up each one of these, like I said, and they're under $30. And this one I thought was pretty unique and maybe good for travel because it combines a battery with a plug. So it looks just like a normal wall plug, but it actually has a lithium-ion battery in it. So let's open this up here. So it looks like we've got a micro USB for charging. And then we have two USB, and it's got their IQ charging, so it's going to fast charge for the most part. It's not true fast charging per se. It says faster charging with industry-leading technology. And it's 5,000 milliamp hours, so probably 2 charges or so for your iPhone. But then you've got a wall plug, so you don't have to carry multiple things at once. And then you've got USB to micro USB, and then you have a little charger carrying case like they include with all of their chargers. Let's move this one aside. And I'm leaving some of the better things for last, I think. This one is their Power Drive 2 Elite. Let's take a look at this. So I think this is just a simple car charger. I didn't even know they made these, to be honest. But it looks like we've got micro USB and then an extra USB Type A port to charge from. So you've got that. So you can charge your batteries on the go and charge maybe your phone on the go. Now, I haven't used their wireless chargers before. Let's see if we can get a little bit more information on this one. So this is, I think, an upright wireless charger. So it sits like that. Let's open it up here. So it's got micro USB on the back to charge it, just like everything else they have. And then it's just a simple charging stand. Let's take a look at it. So it outputs 5 volts at about 1 amp. So it's a pretty standard charger, basically your iPhone charger. So that'll work just fine. It just won't charge super fast. So that's pretty nice. Set that aside for just a moment. It does include the micro USB to USB cable as well. And then the final thing I wanted to look at was SoundBuds Slim. So this I wasn't familiar with, them making wireless Bluetooth headphones, but it says superior sound, so it has aptX, so that's higher fidelity wireless sound, water resistant, IPX5 nano coating for worry-free workouts, and it says listen for 7 hours, fully charged in 90 minutes. It also comes with an 18-month warranty, so that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and open it up here. So we've got a carrying case that these come in. And inside we have the headphones. Let's look at those in just a moment. And then down here it looks like we've got some different size earbuds. All sorts of ones. These seem like they fit in your ear. These are just the normal ones that fit right in your ear. And then we have a little clip here. And something else. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, a little wire tie. And a charge cable. Micro USB to USB. So the headphones themselves, they're magnetically adhering to one another, but you have different size earbuds, like I said. And then you've just got this to connect it. So you've got wireless Bluetooth headphones. Looks like you've got a little micro USB button right here. This is where you'll charge it. So right in the actual controller is where you charge it. And then you've got your volume up and down, and it looks like probably a play pause button right here. So volume up, down, play, pause. And let me see how they sound really quick. So I listened to these for about a minute or two, and so far they have good bass. The highs sound pretty good, but the mids are a little bit muddy, but they're under $30 wireless Bluetooth headphones, so that's pretty hard to beat. AirPods are much more. Of course, those are a little bit different, but AirPods are much more. You could buy many of these for that price, and then that's about it. Let me know what you think about these and maybe other Anker products in the comments below. If you've used any of these, what's your favorite Anker product? And if you'd like to see more accessories, let me know that in the comments below as well. Thanks for If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.